Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the exact tracker model and installing its official app. This ensures the protocol and Bluetooth profiles match. Once done, charge the tracker to at least 50% and enable Bluetooth and location services on your phone so the device can be discovered. Make sure the vehicle ignition is on or the tracker has an auxiliary power source. Many trackers only broadcast while powered. Now open the app and select the Add Device flow to begin active pairing. You will see the app search for BLE or prompt for a device ID. Pick your exact model so the right commands are issued. Once paired over Bluetooth Low Energy, send the configuration. Input APN credentials, server IP and port, and any authentication token the service requires. This tells the tracker where to report GPS data. After uploading, check heartbeat interval, SOS number, and geofence parameters in the profile so the tracker behaves exactly as you need it to while driving. You finish by testing live GPS updates and triggering a manual SOS or location report to confirm the tracker reaches the server and the phone app receives the feed. If data does not appear, power cycle the tracker, resend the configuration, and verify the SIM has cellular data and the APN is exact. Incorrect APN is the leading failure. Also make sure data roaming is enabled if using an international SIM. These steps usually resolve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.